Teen charged with murdering his friend finds out he will not be tried as an adult.
Amariyon Colbert is charged with killing his friend, even though he didn't pull the trigger. Angela Ingram joins us live with how the judge made his decision today. Angela.
Well, Paula, the judge had discretion in this case whether to send Colbert to adult court. There's a checklist of sorts under the law, and after considering all of the circumstances, he decided to keep Colbert in juvenile court. Amariyon Colbert sat with his family nearby, waiting to hear whether he would be sent to adult court or stay in juvenile court. The difference, stiffer penalties if he's found guilty.
This case comes because the young man is 15. It comes in as a discretionary bind over.
This past summer, Colbert and his friend Jordan Lara are accused of trying to rob a woman at gunpoint in Avondale, but the woman pulled her own gun, shooting and killing Lara. And because of how Ohio's murder law works, Colbert ended up getting charged with his friend's death, even though he didn't pull the trigger. The law says someone can face a murder charge if a person dies while a suspect is committing a violent felony like a robbery.
I have pored over the evidence and have given an extraordinary amount of thought to this case.
Judge John Williams had to make his decision on whether to keep Colbert's case in juvenile court based on a list of state guidelines. The judge considered things like Colbert's age, the seriousness of the crime, past criminal history, and whether he could be rehabilitated. Ultimately, Williams decided to keep Colbert in juvenile court to face the murder charge.
And my request of all parties would be to have a pretrial to see if we can come together on some resolution that's appropriate, that this child gets the treatment that he needs.
And Colbert is here at the Juvenile Detention Center. If he is convicted of that murder charge, he faces a minimum of 5 years behind bars. Reporting live in Mount Auburn, Angela Ingram, Local 12 News, Paula.